welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing this wig that I was sent from UNice Hair. This is their bodywave 24-inch wig. The density, I think it's a 180% density. I thought it was 150, but the way it feels, I think it's 180. I do have a medium brown lace, and yeah, again, this is bodywave. It did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it more to my liking. This is a 13x6 frontal wig. You do get a little bit of space on the sides to part, but you get majority in the middle to part. I'm going to be installing my wig today with Got To Be Freeze Spray. Y'all know I've been killing this lately. It's been so easy to just put on my wig, take them off when I need to, and all of that jazz. I do use my blow dryer on cool to dry the Got To Be Freeze Spray when I am sticking it to my head. Alright y'all, so the lace is melted on down. It's looking really good. I'll just take a little bit of powder. Alright y'all, so I want to flat iron my hair. I want to see how well this takes to heat. And I want to see if we get any like plastic synthetic fibers on my flat iron. For this flat iron, it goes up to 30, which I believe the highest setting is 450 for my flat iron. I have an Infinity Pro Conair. I got this from Target like 3 years ago. But I believe they still have it. I believe the same type is still there. Okay. I don't have any plastic synthetic strands on my flat iron, so that's great. Alright y'all, so I ran the flat iron through my hair really quick, like one pass each strand I did. I did not get any type, if y'all can see, I did not get any type of synthetic fibers or anything like that on my flat iron. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. Some things I can say about the wig before I go. I do understand that UNice Hair is a hit or miss for people, so some people like it, some people don't like it. Please be sure to leave your experience down below if you have tried UNice Hair so that others can use that when thinking about purchasing this hair. But for the wig again was nice. It flat ironed really nicely, it pressed out really good. I didn't have any like synthetic fibers on my flat iron or anything like that. I also wanted to mention shedding with this hair or this wig is very minimum, nothing outside of the norm. Also, this hair doesn't tangle, but I do get some occasional snagging, and I feel like that snagging comes from the hair. It feels like there's a coating on the hair, like maybe some product in the hair or on the hair. But I did go in and shampoo and condition my wig before I installed it, and I thoroughly cleaned the wig, so therefore it should not have been any leftover residue from the shampoo and conditioner that I used. Yeah, I just wanted to mention that because that is something I noticed as well. I love the lace. Like, I like how flat and thin the lace is. It's giving me really scalpy on the tees. The only thing that I had an issue with, or not really an issue, but I would go back in and flatten it out more, is like how thick it is in here. It's really, really thick. So I had to keep playing with it, trying to figure out how I wanted to style it. So again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get out of here. Please be sure to like this video if you do like this video. Please be sure to subscribe and join the family on today. And share this video if you care. But I'm going to get out of here, y'all. I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.